I want to ask you, Neil, about the movement that we're seeing in the pound then, up by 2.3%, 134.66. We trade on cable. It seems there was a little bit more upside on confirmation of a Johnson majority. That was a lot of people's base case, though, wasn't it?
It was base case, but in terms of positioning, it's actually relatively light. I think the expectations in the last few days have actually become quite subdued to the point where many parts of London, many investors were sensing it could actually go to a hung parliament. So the market really have only recently got out of its short position and moved to a light long. So we're far from being a crowded trade. It's a small positioning.
What now?
I'd suggest now the continuation of a higher pound. I think we touch 140 relatively soon. That's not that while we're at 135. We've been at 144 not too long ago. And so I think there's further upside. Pretty much because, as I say, positioning is light, it's close to flat, it's light long if anything. The market will want to be long. There's nothing more bullish than a view without a position. You know, many investors, it's their job mandate. If there's a move in foreign exchange and you have that view, you have to have the positioning. And the positioning is light. It's there for shorter term. It's certainly not there from the longer term investors. Around the world, there are many entities who are sat aside with regards to the pound, who are effectively underweight sterling, are waiting for some form of electoral confirmation. And we're just beginning to get this now. So I would suggest there's some deep pocket money globally that is ready to invest into the UK on their appropriate political backdrop and an orderly kind of Brexit type situation. So I would sense there's more upside for sterling.